Hey everyone, my name is Tamimi and I'm a developer advocate at Solace. Today, I'm going to show you the different resources that you have to get started with Solace and using our APIs. So to kick started, I'm going to go ahead and show you our tutorials site. As you can see here in front of you, we have our tutorial site on tutorials.solace.dev, which shows you the API tutorials on how to use the fundamentals and to get started with our messaging APIs. This site is split into the Solace native APIs and the different open APIs that are supported by our broker and a management API set. So to start, let's go ahead and check out one of the APIs. You can see that when you delve into one of the APIs, it's broken down into different fundamentals that shows you how to get started with different messaging patterns and the different API broker and features. You can also check out some sample code where it'll take you to a GitHub repo showing all the different examples you have that you can use. You can also check out the documentation and open the API reference to delve more into the particular API that you're looking at. After you look into a particular tutorial, you can see that this is a step-by-step tutorial explaining the message exchange pattern and how to get started using the language of choice. There's different message exchange patterns you can dive into, and this is open source, so you can improve this page. If you find anything that you wanted to change, go ahead and contribute to it. And you can also discuss this in the community on our Solace community, which I would recommend you to go ahead and create a profile if you don't have one. Another resource that you have over here is you could jump into our developer hub, which is on solace.dev, that shows you how to get started with different resources. Another resource that I want to show you today is our Code Labs section, which is basically a bunch of different tutorials that shows you how to integrate Solace with other technologies and demos. So let's go ahead and check this out. If you go to codelabs.solace.dev, you can see a bunch of different code labs where these are kind of like a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate a particular technology with Solace. So to open an example, we have a bunch of different code labs. These are step-by-step tutorials, and that shows you how to integrate a specific technology with Solace. The nice thing about these code labs is you can filter it by category. So you could go to a particular category and see how you could, for example, use here IoT with Solace. And another thing that I want to show you with this site is that it is open source. So anyone could come and create their own code lab. So if you check out this code lab, it will show you how to create a code lab and contribute to this list of code labs, and then eventually create your own code lab. So that's pretty much it, folks. I hope you learned something new from this video. We have the different resources from the tutorials and the code labs. They're both open source, so go ahead and contribute to anything you want. And feel free to let me know if this is helpful. And if you have any other questions, reach out to me on the community. Thanks.